Yesterday, you wrote your introduction, which, lucky for you, this time was just one sentence. And then you wrote your first body paragraph, paragraph 2, right here, P2. And you started by adding the concrete detail 1, which was number 2 from your planning sheet, which was also your kernel essay. Now, we're going to do the exact same thing again. So I would like for you to start with number 3 from your planning sheet, and we're going to make the sentence a little nicer. So mine says, Mulan is a girl who posed as a man in order to take the place of her aging father in battle. Had she been found out, she would have been killed. Not only did Mulan pull off the ruse, she also saved China from invading enemies. Okay, so I took my sentence, if we go back, right here that says, Mulan is a girl fighting in place of her father and saves China. I moved it right here and I made it fancier so it sounds a lot better, because in reality, you're going to be able to copy and paste each one of these sentences, each one of these boxes onto a document, and it's going to be your whole essay. That's it. You won't have to write anymore. So now I have my concrete detail, but I need a topic sentence for the paragraph. I know that I'm still talking about overcoming adversity. And on my last one, I said a person's circumstances are often beyond their control. However, that does not determine the way things turn out. Okay? So I'm talking about Mulan, who has adversity to overcome. And that adversity is the fact that she's not supposed to be there. So she's fighting in battle. She's training with men. And then not only that, but she makes herself so invaluable that she tells the emperor that they're being attacked by invaders. I said, obstacles are things that get in the way. Some people let that stop them, and others find a way around them. Instead of Mulan letting the fact that she's a girl stop her from taking her father's place, she cuts her hair, puts his armor on, and goes. She found a way around her obstacle. Then, just like when you answer a question and use text evidence, you have to make a comment. You have to explain why this is right. This shows that she would not allow hardships to jeopardize her father's life and was able to protect both him and her country. I explained that Mulan didn't allow hardships. This word hardship, this is the adversity we were talking about. She didn't let it put her father's life in jeopardy, and she protected him. And then my closing. In conclusion, it is how we let obstacles affect us as to whether or not we allow them to stop us or figure out how to get around them. That's it. Basically, I resaid this statement again. Finally, our conclusion. I have to be able to see it first. Our conclusion is a restatement of the introduction. You're saying it again in different words. Maybe. Our conclusion: finally, circumstances working against you doesn't mean that you will fail. I redid it, and that was my statement from the others the planning sheet. This was my number 1, 2, 3, 4. That was my number 4. All I did was copy it on here.